Hello everyone, I'm working on this So Kind of Wonderful Posh Wreath. I had gotten this at the Houston show. I met both the mother and daughter team who came up with this. They were so lovely. They gifted me this pattern and I just remembered that I hadn't done it yet. So here I am. I'm going to go ahead and cut these curves out. This is my first time. So you're learning, we're learning together. Here is my QCR mini ruler. And I also need a, well, they suggest a Sew Square 4. I don't have one of those. But in any case, I went in, their instructions are very, very concise. I cut everything out, and now I'm going to go and start cutting my curves. So right now, I'm going to take my squares here, and I am going to line them all up. I'm going to put a pile. I'm going to put it on the diagonal. I hope you can see that. It's on a diagonal. Okay, I'm going to take my QCR mini ruler, and I am going to go ahead and put this with the dash lines down. So let me see if I can, maybe what I can do is I can move the camera. Sorry, I'm doing this while I'm taping. I think that's a better view and you can see what I'm doing. So I have that there. And I'm going to line it up with the dash lines. That's what it says. And then I'm going to take my rotary cutter, and I'm doing this along with you. And I am just cutting the curve. And here I have two pieces. They're calling this B, they're calling this A. So I am going to go ahead and do the amount that is written in the pattern. I am coming in, again, lining up those dash lines. Now I have a smaller cutter. Let's see if that is helpful. I don't know. This may not be helpful. Nope, it isn't. Okay. Going back to our regular one. They call for a regular. So here I am. I've got these. I'm going to put them on. Got these two, and then I'm going to come over here with my next pile. Put it on the diagonal. Find the dashed lines. Line them up. And cut. All right, I'm going to set these aside. I'm going to go to page 2. And now it's saying we're going to work on our red. So I'm going to put these aside. And I have my red. I come in here. I'm going to line up my rectangles. They call for rectangles in this way. Take my rectangles. And again, I am going to take this and I am going to line up the dash lines. And I'm going to cut. Here we are. Put those aside. I have this piece. I'm going to, I guess, do the same thing here. Line up the dash lines. And here we are. Okay, so I have now my red. Look how fast this is going. So I have my red pieces, my green pieces, my outer pieces. Put these aside. Now, the next piece we're going to work on is the background piece. And the background piece was a big square. And what I did was you cut the square on the diagonal and then you put your ruler right on here. Right, is that it? Did I do that right? Hold on. No, sorry. You take your ruler. That's right. You take your ruler You put it at the measurement that it tells you on the directions, and you chop up the top and the bottom. I've got that. Now I have this. Now I'm going to come with these. I am going to flip them around. I am going, now this is where, oh, here it is. Okay, so this is where I line up my corners. So this is new to me. There it is. Okay, so there's a dashed line there. Oh, so I have this a little off. I will fix that. Wait a second, I line that up. Oh, it is. Okay, so this I did not cut right. So that's my own fault. So I'm going to come in here. I am going to just come in here, line up where I'm supposed to line up. So I'm supposed to line up on these here, and then this should be cut here. So I am off 1/4 of an inch. So I'm just going to go ahead and chop a lop 1/4 of an inch off. This is something that you probably do not have this mistake. It's only me who has this mistake. But I'm just showing you, I'm learning just like you are. So we are learning together. So here's the 2 line, and now everything is matching. The 2 lines here, those are there. Now I'm going to come in and cut. And I have my, whoops. I have my pieces. I'm going to put this side, and this is just, you know, goes to the doggy beds. I'm going to come in here, take another pile. I'll take another pile. Let's see if I made the same mistake here. It's okay. We all make mistakes. I'm showing you. So we come here. Oh, no, this one was perfect, actually. So that matches there. That matches there. That matches on the 2. So now I'm coming in and cutting. I've got my other. So look at that, was 1 mistake. Here we are. Now I did something really wonky here. This is an 1/8 inch here and a 1/4 inch there. So we're going to do, I'm not sure what I did, but we're gonna fix it. And you could tell because this would all have to match. So this is on the 2 line, yep. And then these edges are on the dotted line. And now I come in. And your directions are very clear. So here we are. I have all my pieces, my background pieces, they're all done. So what we're looking at is this here. We have this here. We have this and this. We have our squares. And then this is ready to be put together. So there is cutting, I guess my first time cutting with my So Kind of Wonderful QCR mini ruler. Directions were great. You saw how easy it went. If you don't have one of these rulers, I don't have an affiliate code with them, but maybe I should get one. But if you don't have one of these and you want to try this out, I'd say go ahead. I mean, I'm trying it out. So anyway, everyone have a wonderful day. Take care of yourself. Pass it forward. And if you like what you see, please like, subscribe, and share my channel. I'm going to get off to making this. Take care. Bye.